every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the live session of Stock Sniper Trading. Guys, my name is Dave, my partner is Ron. Guys, today is March the 10th, 2022. Alright, we got a big day today, guys. At 8:30, there's about multiple red folders here, so it's going to be an interesting, morning. Okay, you can see, guys, this is gold on Saxo. Okay, I have just up here right now, I got a higher time frame supply on the daily. Okay, you can see it there, Saxo. Guys, check the description box. Okay, not a buy or sell channel here. We're just providing free technical and fundamental analysis. Okay, any trades are taken upon yourself. All right, so let's understand proper risk management. If you don't, guys, consult with a financial advisor. Do your thing like that. Okay, only try to risk 1%. Especially today with the market being the way it is, and just because of all that news we have coming, could be a lot of erratic behavior, a lot of volatility, and we'll go over that after we finish charting gold. Okay, guys, also check the description box for the recommended broker Hanko. If you want, you can open up a demo account with them, trade with us live with it, see how it is, and then join if you would like. Okay, that's in the description box, so you can check it out for the link. Okay, so guys, with that being said, we're gonna get down to doing some charting here. Okay, so you can see that on the daily, we already have some supply at the top at 2070. Okay, we do have one demand zone here around 1886. I'm also seeing another one here form, which is holding true with that big long wick we have right here. Okay, so we're going to try to double it. So one demand lower, one demand higher. You can see that the wicks are bouncing in a nice little liquidity pool. All right, so let's watch and see what kind of move we get out of this in the next, probably hour. All right, so guys, I might not even take anything until 8:30. You know what I mean? If we do see something really nice setup, then we'll judge accordingly. But until then, guys, just remember there's a lot of could be a lot of head fakes. Okay, I do see a very long wick up here at 2069, around 2070, that could potentially be touched. Okay, but we'll have to wait and see the type of news that we're going to get. All right, we'll go over the news in 2 seconds. Just let me finish up charting here. Gold doing the top down. All right. Okay, one sec, guys. Let me update one thing here. Just want to see. Okay, there we go. Okay, one sec, guys. Let me update one thing here. Just want to see. All right. So you can see that we have a nice support area right below the demand. Okay, we have a key resistance area here to the left. You can see that if we drag it over, it was rejected here twice in previous structure around March 8th and around March 8th at around 3 and 7 a.m. Okay. So let's now see, you can notice that right here we're getting rejected at that current wick. All right, the body's right there, it's pushing a lot of volume against it, so it'll be really interesting to see if we're going to get the volume base turn bullish and continue bullish, maybe breaking through that resistance and having a nice little push continuation. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to drop now down to the hourly. Okay, see what I'm saying right here, previous resistance at the wick, now price is starting to break through here. There's a top wick. Okay, so price has broken through previous resistance. All right, and now we're going to say if we're going to fill this volume and then maybe have a continuation to the upside here. All right, we do have another key area at the next level, which is the close of this, the open of this candle right here, and then the shot back down. It's pretty much an ignited candle. There's no lower shadow. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to drop from the hourly down to the 30-minute. Okay, and now we're going to watch here. We're going to add on our moving averages a little bit near the end of the end of the top down. Okay, grab here, do a baby blue. Everything under an hour, guys, is going to be baby blue. Okay, and we have one more right down here. All right, drop down to the 15. I do see a potential neckline forming here on the 15-minute if gold does not want to get a push. You can see on the RSI we're looking like we're pretty overbought right now, but again, doesn't really mean much in terms of relative strength. It's just a lagging indicator. Okay, so we'll see what's going to happen based on this structure. So from the 15-minute, let's drop down to the 5, and then we'll make our work based on here. All right, guys, I always do this pretty much every call. What do you guys think? Do you guys think gold is bullish or bearish based on what we are seeing currently? Bullish. Okay, let's watch. Raycoin. I support the C, guys, so I might buy some Raycoin. Currently getting spammed. That's nice. Thanks, Shahab, my man. All right. Okay, guys, so you can see we've pretty much done the top down already. Okay, you can see it's current time. It says 12:46 here, but it's 7:36 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. What I'm noticing is that as soon as we get in this area right here, okay, there's a lot of resistance. All right. Short-term supply. Okay, maybe on the 5-minute. You can see to the left, if we drag this all the way across, we have the same zone right here that led to the overall sell of gold. Okay. So the current time is, like I said, 7:36. We're currently floating at 2006, guys, point roughly 57. Getting a nice little push here. And we can see that we have the news, guys, March 10th right here. Okay, 8:30. Okay, we also have Euro news. Okay, at about in about 8 minutes. Okay, so this is big EU news, guys. 7:45. All right. So let's watch and see what we're going to have. Maybe come out of this, and we'll just work with what we got. Okay. So guys, today might be a lot of head fakes. All right, we might not get the clean action that we might be hoping for because there's a lot of news. We just talked about that 10-minute news. Okay, 7:45. But if you can see here, we have 8:30. We have two red folders and one orange folder. Pretty much three high impact news. Okay, so what could happen is if these things all go green, okay, you might see a nice little move based on that. But if one of these opens up green, red, green, you're going to probably have some indecision in the market. Okay, unemployment claims is a lagging indicator. All right, so it might be a slight delay. All right, so let's just watch. You can see gold had a dip right here, continuing. A little bit of divergence spotted. Okay, price from here to here made a nice little high. From here to here, you can see it was flat, which led to the overall sell-off. They're picking up again. Okay, if we take a look on the 15-minute, all right, you can see it's pretty bullish, guys. It's pretty bullish. So if this thing starts to continue to the upside, all right, we can have a nice little move. But I'm also noticing this long wick right here. Okay, eventually they're going to fill that. It might not be today, might not be right now, it might not be in the next 5-10 minutes, but I'm noticing that on the 15. Okay, so let's watch and see here. We're going to go over and chart Nasdaq as well. All right, and then we'll look at some oil, and then US 30 coming into market open. All right, guys, just let you know, if you guys want to pump the likes now, I think there's about 225. I got a good amount of people in here too. If you guys want to push the likes, guys, 300 likes, that'd be huge. You know what I mean? Helps us out in the stream. You guys know about streamers. It's pretty much just how they get in the algo. So let's take a peek here, guys. One sec. Perfect. All right, about 20 seconds. Gonna wait for this candle to close here. Then we're gonna watch how the next one opens. All right. Okay, here's the new candle, guys. All right, you have a 3-bar bullish play here. This is almost 3 white horses. Okay. More volume being pushed in. We're breaking the high to the left right here. All right, so this will be very interesting to see what kind of move happens in the next, like within this 5 minute. All right. Okay, we just crossed. We're going to put the 50 on here. We're going to add the 9 moving average. Okay, I wanted to wait for the candle to close. The next one open before we do that. So coordinates, we can go 50 line. Okay, and then we're going to throw on the 200, and then you have the 9 right here. Okay, so you can see, guys, we're heavily above the 9. It dipped down here and then just recently pushed through again with a lot of volume. Okay, but remember that supply zone right here, that has led us to previous structure in terms of sell. Okay, we're also right around that 2000 mark. Okay, obviously we're at 2008 right now, so about 80 pips away from it, but again, we might get a nice little range in here. So if this starts to sell off, guys, and break the 9 moving average, we could have maybe perform like a double top. Okay, one top here, one top here. You can see that the divergence is kind of showing us that price may retrace a bit. You have a downtrend movement here. Price is slowly starting to make an uptrend. All right. So we'll monitor this. All right, we're going to go look at Nasdaq for a sec. I just want to watch and see. I'm going to set an alarm right here, actually. Okay. Then we're going to go check out Nasdaq. Okay, gold just slowly coming there. Okay, so we're going to look at NAS for now, guys. We'll leave gold alone. It's right at that point, critical area where, in terms of time, all right. So there we go from the daily back down right here. Okay, look at Nasdaq, guys. Clean downtrend. All right, you can see this on the daily. All right, so this is not a surprise that although we continue to get bullish movement here, we get retracements. All right, the trend is your friend. Remember, looking for pullbacks is great, but you can only really look for them for a certain amount of pips, and then remember the overall trend will continue. Okay. There we go. And guys, remember, use small lot sizes here. Okay, there's nothing wrong with, all right, using a micro lot, getting to learn what we're doing, practice. Okay, look at Nasdaq selling off. There's still a long bottom wick right here that needs to be filled it, but there's still a little bit of a difference here in terms of the structure. So let's watch and see what we have. There we go. That's what I wanted right there. Support level. If you guys remember yesterday when we traded the hourly, I mentioned to you there's a big double bottom right here. Bottom, bottom. You see how we actually broke the neckline? We filled these wicks and then we made a new high here. Okay, so this is at the average is 13,698. All right, so we did continue to fill that dub bottom. Okay, but you can see it's retracing back now at the neckline. So pushed, a lot of volume, retracing, acting as the neckline, holding the key support right here, which initially was your retest and continuation. All right, so it's still in a heavy downtrend, but we're going to see if we're going to hold key support here and then maybe start to walk to the upside. Guys, Apple had a 20-to-1 stock split. Okay, so we might get some news based out of that, but we'll have to watch price to see how this is actually going to play out. Okay. My bad. Amazon, guys. Sorry, my bad. I haven't had enough coffee here. Cheers to that. I won't lie. As soon as I heard that, guys, I did grab some Amazon. I can't believe I made that mistake saying that. I'm gonna probably hold around maybe 100 shares based on what I bought. So we'll see with that split. It'll be nice. Looking for the future, guys. Maybe give the kids a college fund. You know how it is. But we'll see if anything it gets manipulated based out of this. Okay. I got in the Apple one when they did that the split. I think it was a couple years ago. All right. So it was pretty good. I still held. All right, but we'll watch and see how Amazon is going to do. Okay. Yes, it's not occurred yet. Absolutely. They said it was coming. The news was released yesterday. Okay, go down to 15-minute now. Okay, guys, you can still see this is gapping down here. All right, we're at coming to a key level though. Okay, so let's watch. Guys, if you're trading EU, like I said, we had that news. Enjoy the massive massive liquidity pump on this. All right, and get ready. Okay, 15 now. There we go. And we'll drop to the 5. Perfect. All right, let's throw on our moving averages. Did gold go through the M pattern here? Let's watch. There we go. Okay, so looking for a maybe quick little push here. Okay, about 7:47, guys. At 8 o'clock, let's go check out gold. Okay, there we go, guys. This is the double bottom right here, or sorry, double top. You can see with the divergent play. So right in here, guys, is going to be a critical area. Okay, let's check out GU. There's GU, guys. Massive boner candle here. Okay, look at this thing start to rise. Filling these two wicks to the left. All right. Breaking the overall. See how we have a golden cross on GU. Okay, so look for a retracement eventually to happen here for a quick turnaround, and then we might have a preceding continuous bullish candle here. All right. Okay, let it do its thing here. I'm looking at this for the potential double bottom. All right. Double top, guys. I need to get some caffeine in me. Top, top. Go from there. Okay, you can see how they're slowly dipping down below this 9. You have an engulfing candlestick based out of the resistance structure here. They're starting to hold. All right. But again, we want to see how these couple candles close here. There's about 52 seconds left. Okay. Guys, check your spreads on gold. Okay, this is no joke. Spreads are very high, so look at this right here. Huge sell. Coming right to the demand, guys. So this is where, if price is not going to break down, this is where they're going to hold it right here. Okay. Okay, here's that new candle opening up, new 5-minute candle here. So they didn't dump it below, they're starting to hold the support. Okay, if now this structure, you can see we're right at that 50 line. That's what I wanted to see right here. As soon as this breaks here, that's when you get that little bit of a flush. Okay, nothing has broke yet. They're holding the support right on demand. Okay, and if we start to rise here, I'm looking for more of a long position right out of this structure right here, which could perform now a double bottom leading into maybe the gold breakout continuation. So we'll watch and see here. So we take a look at Nasdaq. Okay, right at that demand area. So let's take a look on the 15-minute here. Death cross on the 15 on Nasdaq. That's why you can see continuous sell pressure here, filling this bottom wick to the left. All right, and then we have a low if it wants to continue right over here. Guys, all the spreads right now are crazy high, so just keep that in mind. Okay, gold did definitely not dump. All right, it kind of had that nice little support. There you go, you can see. Okay, right in there. Bounced once, bounced twice. Nice little setup here. Didn't occur. Okay. So guys, we might be actually in a range here, what I'm noticing. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. There we go. Okay, so you can see push. We have a golden cross here. Might try to fill this wick. And we'll watch and see. Yes, I am actually, Ryan. I am. Okay, so current time, 7:52. All right. Okay, take a look at NAS. Take a look at oil too, guys. You can see that there's that. Yeah, absolutely. 15-minute divergence, guys. Okay, you can see prices selling off here. Still selling with the death cross. RSI is slowly making an uptrend here, but again, I mentioned to you guys right beforehand the news that we have here. Okay, the news that we have, 8:30 coming in, volatile time that we're going to be in. All right. So I'm just going to move that 200 right now. Hey guys, look at me go. Okay, gold almost an engulfing candlestick performing here. Okay, did not get the decrease, the dump. Let's throw on the moving average right here. Okay, I'll make that white. Yeah, guys, you don't even know. There we go. Okay, NAS still potentially dumping through here. Okay. So here's the retest on gold. Okay, gold on the 15-minute was hovering right around that 200. They broke it. All right, now they're probably retesting it. So if I show you, okay, you can see they pushed, retest. If I throw on the 200 here, you can see it's right below it. Okay. Perfect. Drop now down to 5 again. Guys, the spreads are crazy right now. What is it? What do you guys got spread on gold? What do you guys got spread on gold, and what are your spreads on Nasdaq? Nasdaq for me is fluctuating right now. 2.5, yeah, not bad. Yeah, Nasdaq is getting higher here, guys. Gold 0.5. Okay, guys, just checking out these spreads here. Sorry, 29, 2.9, 9.1 on gold. Oof. You got a 9 spread on gold. Oh, you guys gotta. Okay. Guys, I'm just waiting for the new hourly candle open. You guys know that this is happens quite often. We get stuck, or not really stuck, you know what I mean. We'll look at trading before 8, and then you know, the new hourly candle happens and it switches, flips. Okay, so let's just take a quick look on oil for 1 sec. Oil is disgusting right now. Heavy range. Okay, long bottom wick on oil, guys, if it's still continuing the downtrend here. Okay, we'll focus on oil maybe a little bit later. There we go. Yeah, guys, we didn't even look at EU right now. I showed you GU had a massive push here. Okay, then they sold off. If you want to see it, we'll flip one more time here to GU. I mentioned. So if you guys did hear, if you guys were on the call, I said they'll pump it and then they'll retrace it right back down. Okay, and you can see that it did the exact same thing, had a continuation. Okay, filled those wicks here, goes rejected at the peak. Okay, and then you got that sell. So it'll be interesting to see on GU though. Okay, you have a shoulder here, a head here, and a shoulder here. So an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So the news broke through the neckline and they pumped it right back up. Okay. Okay, so GU, guys, let's take a look. Maybe on the hourly. Okay, so we have some nice liquidity being held here. All right, you can see right here on the hourly, guys. Okay, nice demand zone. All right, so let's watch and see. A lot of head fakes are probably going to happen here. So we'll leave GU alone and we'll look at back to gold. Okay, see how NAS flips script? Okay, Here's your 8 a.m. candle, guys. The new hourly candle is opening. All right. So we'll see if Nasdaq has a nice little push here, maybe fill in these wicks, or if it's going to get rejected again at the 9. We're going to see what's going to happen with gold. If gold is maybe going to get some rejection here. Okay. Okay, 8 a.m. now. Let the first 5-minute candle play out. Ian, I didn't FX pairs earlier. I didn't. I'm just saying it now, dude. Okay, so let's watch gold. See if we're gonna get a nice little uptrend here. Okay, we're in some consolidation right now. Okay, pushing, sideways trading. We'll watch and see what's gonna play out here based on this type of structure. Okay, so gold maybe starting to rise here. Remember, guys, if gold shorts down here, we're looking for a short. If gold wants to break out here, performs a double bottom, all right, we'll look at maybe looking into a gold opportunity for a continuation buy. All right, but again, remember the news we have coming up here. We have 30 minutes, we have news. FX, none of us can trade indices. Will you keep doing FX in the future? Like, yeah, Ian. Okay, Friday, buddy. There's a reason why Friday is a good day. We're going to continue with what we're doing now with the indices and commodities. Okay, but you'll see with what we have launching on Friday. Okay, and you'll see there's a little bit different things how we're going to be doing it. So every stream I'm probably going to do GU or EU, one of the two. So we'll wait and see. Okay, no problem, man. I was doing it before. All right, but then we switched off. Gold got hot, and that's the thing, guys. You gotta remember, one instrument's going to get hotter than the other. We know that there's war, so gold is a safe haven, so we trade gold. Okay, indices are always moving. You can always find, potentially, if you're not in consolidation, some good maybe 5, 10, 15 pips on indices, right? So just make sure you understand, like, pairs are fantastic. I trade GU all the time, okay? But as of late, everything's just been hot in terms of commodities and indices. So hit rally, yeah, we can do that, absolutely. Okay, let's check out gold in the 15-minute for uno momento. Okay, nice push here. Asking about the flag pattern. Let's see what it looks like on the. Sorry, not the daily, guys. The hourly. Yeah, kinda. Push here. I want to see the wicks. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yep. Okay, okay, so this is now your 8 a.m. First 5 minute candle is it just closed, and now you have the new candle opening here. Okay. So I can see right now we're kind of ranging. All right. Take a look here. So far, we're ranging on gold. Polish Bob. This is hilarious. I made 15 trades on gold and won every one of them without a loss. I can't quite believe it. I tripled my account. My broker thinks Dave has hacked into my account and taken over. Oh yeah, that's hilarious, man. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that one. My man Polish Bob, he's back. There he is. Oh yeah, that's hilarious, man. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that one. My man Polish Bob, he's back. There he is. Yeah, that's hilarious, man. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Cool. Okay, so see the consolidation that we're probably forming on gold right now, a little bit of head fake. Okay, no buys nor sells. Okay, there is still a 5 minute uptrend here. I can see a bearish flag pattern on Nasdaq. I won't lie to you. Okay, but we'll watch. All right, so flag pull, flag forming. We're gonna see if this is gonna be a structure. Now, this is the only pain in the ass thing about having two charts. You can see that price has dropped lower a few times. Okay, there's still a long bottom wick. But if this thing drops, guys, like I'm gonna remove this, and just so it doesn't triple, maybe freak people out here. Okay, take a quick look at GU. Okay, heavy sell pressure, guys. You see how that pump still continuing to sell. Okay, still selling. Take a look at Euro. We'll throw it on with FXCM. We'll do a wand actually, it's a little bit better. Okay, Euro is selling off too. Okay, very similar to GU, guys. Very similar to GU. All right. So bearish flag pattern, guys. Get that out of here. So we're gonna watch and see. We already pierced through it once. Okay. See if we can start to get a little bit of a sell here. Okay, now just wait till it retests again. Okay, see if it comes back down and taps that 13,394. Okay, this is a nice pattern here, but it's got to play out. All right, you can see the pull is nice, consolidated trap. We're gonna see if this thing's gonna get a continuation. Your spreads might be crazy high right now, guys. So just keep this in mind. Okay, 8:09. We have one more minute till. And Rod, yeah, one lot is very very heavy on NAS for sure. Then just wait, maybe look at gold only for now. Okay. Okay, so you see how they held it? Nothing dropped down just yet. They're pushing it right back in. So let's watch and see. Here's your retest on the 9 moving average. You can see gold just making a hammer candle now. Let's watch and see if gold maybe starts to retrace. Okay, it's all in a range right now, guys. You can see head fake. Move it down here. All right. You can see they just started to break out and they pushed it right back in. March 2020. Yeah, Mo, I was looking at that too. Okay, so your divergent play, nothing sold on NAS. Okay, no confirmation, kind of dipped down here, then flipped. Okay, so let's just watch and see if it's going to break this 9 moving average. There is divergence on Nasdaq, guys. Okay, on the 15-minute. So you can see the correlation. If gold is selling, Nasdaq is starting to rise a little bit. All right. Okay, let's throw on the 200 here. Okay, so the divergence is starting to show, starting to become a little more evident now, leading into probably the 815. All right, you can see, guys, just a range right now. Okay, we can set up whatever we want, but again, you can see gold is ranging. Okay, NAS is pretty much ranging here, very slow motion. Okay, and what are we waiting for? This news right here. Okay, 8:30 in about 10 minutes. Okay, so you can see they flipped script right away. Divergent plays starting to come together with NAS. Okay, so the bearish flag pattern did not happen. Okay, it looked promising, but you can see now we're performing an engulfing candlestick. All right, so no trade taken there. Let it do its thing. This thing might start to push bullish. If it breaks above this moving average right here, guys, you might start to see it push a little bit higher. Okay, take a look at oil here for 1 second. Okay, oil starting to dump a little bit. Take a look on the 15. Okay, we'll go to 5 now. Okay, look at the range on oil too. See how we're ranging an oil right in here, guys? Tried to push, rejected. Okay, go back to Nasdaq. Okay, so new candle, guys. See how, members, you asked what a break is. That's not a break. You guys are entering in on candles. Okay, you gotta wait for the candles to close. So you can see now it's getting rejected at that 9. Let's see if that was the retracement. Okay, you see it's still starting to rise. How it's closing below there. So nothing was taken yet. If you get a break here and it closes above now, watch. You can see the wicks. Okay, so if it breaks the wick, break the 9, break the wicks, you're going to start to see this rise. Okay, let's watch. How can you tell if it closes? Okay, so guys, if you don't know how candles close, you haven't watched any of the videos in the back end of our site. Okay, I'm not trying to be rude, okay, but you haven't watched any of them, I can tell. There's an open, a high, and a low, and a close. Okay, there's a close of the bodies, and then there's the wicks. Okay, so if you guys are, I'm gonna be real with you. All right, if you guys haven't done that, I suggest you do it before you even start to even think about trading. If you don't know about a close of a candle, guys, that's worrisome. Okay, I'm not trying, like I said, it's not a bad thing because you can literally just watch it and be done with it. But if you guys don't understand that, then you guys are not gonna have a fun time trading. You know what I mean? So you need to understand the way candles move. You can't just jump in here and expect to to make like crazy return in terms of pips. Okay, because eventually, me and Ron, we might not be here. Probably will, but again, who else? You know what I mean? And if you guys don't learn this on your own, then constantly relying on others will be very difficult, right? So learn, and learn the back end stuff. Okay, and YouTube guys, I'm not talking about you. This is for the members here. Okay. Okay, so look at gold, guys. You see how gold is in that range? Okay, pushing, pulling, pushing, pulling. It's even tighter now. Okay, they're moving it right up here. They're holding it, but again, the overall consolidation structure is bouncing in and out of this right here. So if you guys were trading on 1 minute, 3 minute candles, this would be beautiful. Okay, but because we're trading on fives, you can see it's holding the structure. All right. Okay, you can see gold is still trying to push above that overall 5 minute trend. No, Camille, that was not a trade. And I'm answering someone's question on YouTube. It was not a trade down here. Okay, it pushed down. It did not hold in confirmation down here. It pushed right back up. Okay, if we held and started to see some drop, then you can look at getting it here. Okay, but because it broke the structure, head fake, and pushed right back up, nothing was taken. And that's why if you initially wait for candles, this is why I was trying to tell you here that you watch this candle, you see how it's starting to break right here when you had that little sell opportunity. Okay, you don't take on this candle here because your last minute was probably, like I said, sorry, your last minute of the candle was what you don't want to enter on. You let it close and then wait for the next one to open up. Do you see if you would have waited patiently 2 seconds, you would have got into a bullish move, you wouldn't have taken the trade. You would have actually probably bought it and then started to walk to the upside. Okay. Okay, about 8:20, guys, 10 minutes. Okay, look at gold getting some rejection here. Okay. Okay, look at gold selling off here, ranging. Okay, move all this structure over here. Okay. So now we're starting to form a short-term uptrend on Nasdaq. Okay. You can see it's breaking the 9 moving average right here. It's starting to hold. The only thing that's holding it down are these 4 wicks right here for rejection period. Okay, that's the only thing. Okay, so members, for what I just told you, you can see this is right here is what I just described to you for the entry. Okay, so if you guys are in it now, you can see they broke the 9. They're starting to hold a bit. You can look for a clean little uptrend right there. Okay, slowly starting to break above these wicks. Okay, now if you guys are in on this, don't get greedy here. Remember the time. Okay, you have 8:23. This thing's coming in hot. We have news at 8:30. All right, so for Tiffany, the one who asked about the candles. Okay, you can see the candles closing. See how this candle closed, pushed through? This candle is still open right now. Okay, it's still volume based. It's still moving up. Okay, now if you got in this quick little scalp right here, you're slowly running in profit. Okay, about 13 pips, members. You guys understand that? It's slowly rising. Okay, so remember, take your pips, guys. All right, guys. I told you. I just took almost 40 bucks on that buy. Okay, right from there to there, just because of that clean close of above the 9 moving average. All right. Okay, so guys, secure when you can. We're coming into news now. My suggestion is take what this is. Okay, watch gold here. We have gold set up for the next couple moves. All right. Coming in about 5 minutes, we have the new the new half-hour candle open. All right, which is our news. Okay. Starmans, just if you're teaching people how to hedge, dude, just be aware that if they come back on you and say doesn't work out, if that's what you're meaning, okay, it's not a hedge. You want to watch candles here. Okay, guys, I gotta take 2 seconds here. I just started chugging my coffee, so give me 2 secs. I will be right back, and then we're ready to rock. Okay. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna full screen this 828. We're gonna watch gold. Okay. One screen, gold. All right. This is Nasdaq. You can see it slowly starting to hold some support above that structure. Watch and see how this starts to play out. Okay. As soon as it taps here, guys, we know that that trade has played out. This is the real deal right here, what I wanted to watch. Okay. 1 minute. All right. Slowly ranging still. Okay, what time is it? We got about 1 minute here. So 1 hourly. Okay, guys, so one of the members mentioned maybe a potential head and shoulder on the hourly. Shoulder over here, distended head, okay, and then you have a shoulder over here. So, or we can perform maybe a cup and handle pattern. We'll watch and see. Two screens is hard, guys. It's very difficult. I just wanted to do it to show you guys that it can be done. The Crypt Keepers, it was looking like a bear flag and then it switched. Okay, that's why you watch price, guys. That's why you watch price. These things can change at any time. Spreads are going to go crazy high right now, guys. Look at the time. It's coming into news, okay? Take a look at NAS. Look at NAS starting to rise, okay? Now let's watch gold. Okay, time is it here? We've got about 3 seconds here, guys. Let the news open up. Okay, Nasdaq just tapped the buy. Okay, you can see what's happening on gold here. Members, did you guys hold Nasdaq? Did you guys hold Nas? Do you see right here? Tiff, you asked me about what is a candle close. Candle closes above the 9. I said this. Okay? And that's when you get your rocket to the upside. All right? Take what you can get right now, guys. We're going to flip back to gold. Okay, gold is still ranging right now. Okay, so let's take a look at the news here. Okay, remember what I said. They might open up a couple folders different. Okay, and what I mean by that is I show you. Okay, so 2 neutral, 1 negative. Okay, so unemployment claims negative 227. Sorry guys, I couldn't see that. 227. Okay, so very bad. All right, so let's watch and see how this is going to affect the news for gold. Let's take a look at the DXY here. Massive dump here. Okay, and then you have your continuation. We'll see if this is going to continue to sell off. All right. Nasdaq looking to continue to fill this wick, guys. Let's watch and see. Okay, if you guys are in on this, secure. Okay, move your stop loss to break even, run a trailing stop. Okay, I do believe that you see how they broke that 50 line right there. Okay, boom, that's why you get your explosive candle. Okay, let's go check out gold. So gold is still ranging right now. Wow, Nasdaq is still pumping, guys. Look at Nasdaq still pumping. Wow. Okay, where is he? The Crypt Keeper. Do you see how you watch price? Okay. Divergent play on the 15-minute as well. Look at this thing, guys. Wow. Gold is indecision right now. Let it do its thing. This is the best. Okay, this is what we want to see right here. So guys, members in the not only in the stream, okay, but also in the Zoom, okay. I mentioned that as soon as it closes above this 9 moving average, okay, I'm entering a buy, and I did, and you can see if you held through it, you get a massive continuation, guys. Like this thing is we're not joking around here. If you even got it up here, things running about 78 pips, guys. It's going to tap right here, then moving out, then 200. I can see it right here. You're going to get a tap to the left of the structure. That's where the resistance is forming. Okay, so yes, more, and I'm thinking the same thing actually. Okay, even if it's got a cold above here though, guys, okay, because there's about 2 seconds. Right here is going to be the key. See how they gapped it up? Okay, they gapped it up. Now we're going to watch, are they going to hold the support right here? This is the key. Okay. Okay, so they didn't tap yet. It got closed with low volume. Here's your retest. See what I mean? Okay, so they're pushing down. They're retesting that break of the structure, which to the left, you can see was previous resistance. Okay, so if they start to break this thing can start to fall back down right to this area right here. All right, so if you guys are still in Nasdaq, don't get greedy. Here's the break. All right, let's see if we're going to start to fall. Is this fundamental analysis? It's technical analysis mixed with fundamental. Technicals is just charting, okay? Fundamental is watching like someone, example like Forex Factory, okay, which is news. So you see how it broke here, guys? Broke the structure, coming right back down to 13,458. All right. Gold is still being. This is when I say I don't like gold, right here. Okay, this is not good. You see how it's still ranging, guys? Look at the moving average right here. Okay, look at the moving average. It's just floating in and out. Okay, this is a range. This is what you want to stay away from. Okay, it'll make a move eventually, but today gold is not doing what we want it to do. Okay, it's not having good moves like we've had previous. All right. This will move eventually, guys. This will move eventually. I'm just showing you the overall consolidative structure here before we make the next big move. Let's take a look at GU here. Okay, GU pushed and pulled. Okay, take a look at oil. Oil kind of rising again, bouncing off the 200. Look at the wicks on oil, guys. Okay. So Nasdaq coming right back down, guys. You see it's breaking that structure. The next level it's going to get is 13,430. They could evaporate this entire bullish candle here. All right. Look at this. It's coming right back down. It's going to tap right here. Let's see. Bitcoin did. Oof. Look at BTC, guys. I always have this kind of charted. This is the 4-hour support. Okay, 15-minute target. This is not bearish, guys. This is not updated. This is a bullish target. Okay, but look what happened to BTC. Same thing that happened to NAS. No, I just took the buy. I didn't look for the sell. Okay. So 838 now. You can see 830. All right, leading into it. Beautiful move. Okay. We can go back to the double chart now. There's gold. Okay, we'll monitor Nasdaq. Okay, so here's your distended double bottom right here. Okay, now they're retesting the overall neckline. You see right here, guys? Okay, Nas made us moves here. Let's just update this. Okay, quick little sell-off now. Let's move this up here so you guys can see it, just so it's not distended. watch and see here. Okay. Okay, remember guys, we have that supply area right here. Okay, to the left. If you scroll over, this is where we sold off once before. Okay, so that's why it's dragged right across, and that's why you're getting your overall little cell structure here. Okay, it's still holding that support line, all right, and it's still holding the 5-minute trend. So let's watch and see how this is going to do it, if gold is going to continue. Okay, so one sec guys, you can see that the supply is acting, it's for real. Okay, the wick, if you see, like, I want to dive in a bit, but I don't want to distend the charts, but you guys can see here. Okay guys, gold, check gold. This is gold. Okay, you got to open up your eyes. The wick was rejected right here. They pushed through, they got rejected. Okay, the same level of structure right here. If we were to draw all erases after, you can see the rejection. Same level of wick, rejection, rejection being pushed back down. All right, so gold very indecisive right now. I do believe around, maybe 8 minutes, 8-9 minutes, we'll see a little bit bigger move on gold, but it'll be interesting to see how this move starts to play out. Okay, there's the rejection on Nasdaq. So exactly what happened with GU, guys. Remember, GU had that massive push here. Okay, and then you have your massive sell-off starting to form. Okay, same thing happened with GU. Guys, put okay, let's check out the likes here for 1 sec. 210, guys. Bump me to 300, you get US 30 at market open. If not, guys, we'll just sit here on the dual charts and we'll watch and see here. Okay. Sean, do a pop out. Do a pop out chat. Okay, gold is still holding that uptrend here, but coming right on that supply again, guys. How many times can we get rejected before this thing maybe flips? Okay. Okay, a lot of indecision here. Okay, well, 4 minutes. Here's that 8:45 candle here. This is what I want to see. Okay, nice little uptrend forming here. See if we're going to hold this overall wick. Okay, I changed it from the trend to the bodies. You can see the wick right here. So wick, wick. I'm giving it a little wiggle room here because this support. So if it drops down, we're going to see tap support, maybe tap that uptrend, and we'll watch. Okay. Hey, guys, HankoTrade is only crypto deposits. Yes. Okay, and we'll go over it 1 second here. A little slower right now. Okay, so here it is, guys. Take a look at the promotional offers here. Scroll down on the site, check it out. ECN Plus is very popular. Okay, you can apply for the promotional offer, which is right here. If you guys have any questions, ask the chat. All right, this is a bonus. Okay, guys, so read this. I said this yesterday too. For example, say you deposit 500, a small bonus, they can match the additional 500 for you, which will help with your spread, help with your leverage. Okay, so you obviously cannot withdraw that. They're not going to give you free money. Okay, but they're going to use it when you keep it in your account. So check it out, guys. Read the conditions and stuff like that. Guys, it is in the description box here. Okay, in the YouTube chat, in the channel, in our I guess you could say the description. So click the link, guys. Open up a broker demo account and see what it entails. Yeah, guys, you can use it in the US. That's why we did it. Yes, you can use it in the US. And guys, you don't have to go with them, honestly. You don't have to. Just try it out. Try in their broker. You know what I mean? That's the nice thing about working on a demo account. Okay, see if it feels right for you. Smash a week or 2 weeks out of it. You know, and see how it goes. You're gonna. The thing is, they're lower spreads, guys, and you pay a bigger commission. Which to me, I'm okay with that because I want low spreads. I would rather pay it, get in it, get it out of the way, than deal with my spreads fluctuating. Okay. Good morning, guys. What's going on? So still nothing yet on gold. Okay. Still nothing yet on gold. A little bit of a chop sesh here, ranging. Okay. A little bit of a sell opportunity starting to happen on Nasdaq still. Again, you can see it's starting to break. Okay. Gold is starting to do the same thing. All right. So let's watch and see how this is going to start to play out. Nasdaq is breaking that 9 moving average now. Okay, move that over for 1 sec. It's going to come right back down and look at the liquidity pool. Imran, yeah, I'm going to make a video on them. I'm going to show you the whole deposit process and we'll upload this to YouTube. Okay, so you guys can see. Okay, Nasdaq is breaking, guys. Like this thing is selling off. All right, but I'm not. It's great that it's selling off here. Okay, but I'm worried about the time more than anything. Okay, if this thing starts to continue to dump, which it probably will, all right, you can see we're coming right back down to that liquidity where we had that overall sell structure forming initially. Ryan, it's the government. They're heavy controlling everything. Okay. Okay, massive rejection, guys. So you can see, remember we talked about the supply area right here. Okay, if we go one chart, I don't really want to keep going two. It's really choppy for me as well, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, just show you on gold. Here's the resistance that we're happening here. Okay, I wanted to show you this rejection right here. Okay, now we're starting to slowly sell off. Okay, heavy resistance coming out. I'm going to erase this consolidation box, guys. Okay, so she starts to break here. got to watch, okay? We've been resisted twice here too. Same thing with the rejection up here. Okay, so if she does start to break, it's looking very volume based right now. This is looking pretty juicy. 4 minutes left. Okay. There we go. Okay, huge cell structure started to form right back down to the 200. Okay. Okay, rejection, massive dump here. Okay, guys, I'll tell you straight up, I have a yeah, I saw him. I'm not worried about Nas, so we had the play on there. I have a very small micro lot on a buy. Okay, like we're talking the smallest you can do. This is called a runner. Okay, this is in drawdown. Okay, from the buy. All right, but it's not much at all. It can withstand it. All right, so now I know that right now we are in current sells. I'm going to use this all day, guys. I'm going to use this all day. I know when to cash out that runner. Okay, if it's regardless if it's bullish or bearish because it's so small. All right, but what I'm looking for is to correlate with the runner some of my entries. Okay, so right now you can see it broke that trend. Let's take a look on the 15-minute here. Okay, rejection, slowly diverging here. You see how they crossed the moving average, getting some resistance here. The divergence was real. They kept trying to push it up, rejected, and then it sold off. Look at where it's holding, guys. See that 50 line? All right, see that 50 line right there? If it breaks there, then you're going to see the break to 200. Okay, and it's slowly going to start to come down, most likely I would say right around here, which is the next level. You can see it's acting as resistance here and support right here. All right, Camille, okay, thanks Shahab, but he never says when the confirmation when going into profit. Well, that's why you join the Zoom group, guys. And if you can't see that the green is the entry point, you know what I mean? I don't know what you're looking for in terms of miraculous entry. We obviously want to have the break and retest, but if this thing's just selling, you look for the sell entry that's already set up. But again, that's up to you, right? I have no idea what you guys are doing. I have no idea what any lot sizes are. I told the members initially beginning the group, don't use a large lot size today. I said 1%. So if you have like a small account, 0.01, 0.02, you know what I mean? If you have a larger account because you're a prop firm trader, maybe $1, maybe $5. I have no idea, guys. You know what I mean? So Hassan, okay, you're running in the okay, so you're in the Zoom group. What's the difference between a sell stop, and a sell limit? I can tell right away, bro, that you have not even looked at the back end of the site. Okay? Because it's the first three it's not even a video. It's the first three I guess you could say like sessions, okay, in the back end of the library. So watch those, okay, and then go from there. Okay, so you can see, guys, look at how dirty gold played off in this one. Okay, gold sold right back above. Dennis, I agree with you completely, buddy. There must be an app that allows you to price. That's just account management, guys. I don't even want to get involved in that. I think that's the craziest thing ever. Best leverage, guys, 1 to 50 to 1, 100 to 1, nothing more. Is this a life coach? Okay, the Forex pilot, if you hit your goal, bro, get out. Put yourself in that put yourself in that jacket, guys. Put yourself in that jacket. Okay, so let's go take a look at Nasdaq for 2 seconds. Guys, gold is expensive. Yeah, guys, remember, gold, the spreads are crazy. Okay, they can be crazy at this time. All right. Okay, so look at right here. Look at Nasdaq. You see how we filled the exact same spot as we once were before. All right, starting to fill right below that 9 moving average now. Okay. Bam. Okay, members, you guys should be in this. Okay. Oh, edgy, you got out. It was up here. It was up here, hun. Okay. Time is it now? 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes to 9. Okay, 2 minutes to 9. Move this over here. I'm gonna erase this gold by. Okay, you want to check out oil for 1 sec, guys? Look at oil. Okay. We didn't really watch this, but again, we know that oil is projected to go pretty high. Okay. It was said to go like 180 a barrel, but you can see that as soon as that was said, everybody started to short it. Okay. All right, but now bounced off the 200. You can see we're starting to rise. We didn't really watch it today, guys, but you can see. All right, nice little movement here on oil. The spreads are crazy high in oil too, so just keep that in mind. All right, let's take a look at Nasdaq. Okay. Pump the likes, Huemaker, you know it. Pump it, pump it. Okay, so on Nasdaq, guys, we look to the left. Okay, what kind of structure do we have if we break? The next key structure you can see is right around here. So had about 4 touches. It's 9 o'clock. Okay, so we're right back in that consolidation area where we started. Okay, originally, remember, we looked at the bearish flag, waited for the candles to close, we got the uptrend. Now we're looking at the same kind of structure here. If price of NAS starts to hold here again, all right, we're in sell pressure. But if it holds here, guys, and it wants to walk up, I need it to get above that 9 moving average for a continuation. Okay, if it doesn't, this thing's just going to start to sell. Okay, follow the trend right here. All right. So I'm going to throw this on with gold. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a 2-second break here and I will be right back. Try to bump it up to 300 likes, guys, or as much as you possibly can for me if you like it. If not, if you like the beard, show the love. Guys, I won't lie, I can grow this thing beard long. If you guys show the love, you guys are gonna see a big beard coming up here. Obviously it'll take some time to grow, but we'll be streaming, so show the love, guys. Give me 2 seconds, I'll be right back. We're gonna do some US 30 market open. Okay, take a break, guys. Go to the washroom, smoke a joint, have a shot, do what you guys got to do. Trading can be stressful, so you know what, do what you got to do to get that stress relief. Okay, I am not recommending drinking or smoking on this stream, but I'm just saying get some relax, guys. All right, okay, we'll be right back, guys. 2 seconds. My doggy's outside, that's why I gotta go get him too. He's going nuts. He's going against these other doggies over there. It's hilarious. Bulldogs, they don't stop either. So Mo Marty, there he is. Okay, guys. So take a second, guys. I'll be right back. I keep repeating that, so I gotta get off the stream. 2 secs. Zoloft, you guys are crazy. Hey guys, what's poppin'? There we go. Okay, back in action. Okay, you guys talking about all the strains in here? That's hilarious, guys. Okay, so you can see that gold still following that downtrend. Okay, we're going to update US 30 absolutely, guys. Just let me do some updates here. We're going to see if this is going to follow this trend. Okay, you can see that there's another level of support right at the bottom wick right here. All right, so let's watch and see. It's finding some support, guys. So if you guys are in on those gold sells, so remember I told you guys second entry is right around here. Okay, 1999, and it's going to start to rise. It's probably going to push right into 2000. Okay, psychological 2000 before we have the next big move. Okay, and you can see it slowly breaking above now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to full screen it, guys. It's 9:05. Okay, you're going to see probably a little bit of choppy action right now. All right, and what I mean by that is just because of the time. Okay, we have 9:30 coming up. We already went through big news here. Okay, we have a 1 o'clock p.m. Bond action orange folder here. Okay, so that's obviously a ways away. So there's nothing coming in at 9:45. Okay, nothing coming in. So that's a positive. All right, guys. I guess everyone wants to see the Viking beard. Okay, so I'm gonna full screen it now. Okay, you can see Nasdaq slowly coming into that demand area short term, but I have it as white just because, like I said, it was previous consolidation, so we just dragged it. Okay, getting some rejection at the 9. This is why you place trades, guys, above the moving averages. It'll help you with the trend. See how it closed above? You had that big push. See how it closed below? You have the sells. Okay, we have closed below here, so right now we're looking for, potentially we'll be looking for sell opportunities. However, right now you can see that in this area there were buyers coming in. Okay, so it's at a critical area. All right, so some of these comments kill me. All right, so let's take a look at US 30 now. Okay, we're gonna head over and do the charting for it. Do see a little bit of an uptrend formation starting to form. Okay, and guys, the US 30 is on global prime. All right, so let's head over. Very similar structure to Nasdaq. Okay, so we're going to erase everything, remove the moving averages, go to the daily. Remember on Nasdaq, okay, showed you the overall downtrend. I think we know this. We're in a bear market right now. Okay, overall downtrend. All right, yeah, bulldogs, guys, they never stop. If you guys have them, you guys understand what it is. But they're honestly the most loving guys ever. They have such a personality. I'm a big dog lover, guys. Like, if I don't know if you guys know, I love animals. My dog is my world. Okay. We'll do a doggy day. We'll do a doggy day where we all, instead of us showing up on Zoom, we'll have our dog sitting there. It'll be like that one picture where all the dogs are playing poker. We'll make a new one. All the dogs are trading FX, scalping gold. You got Frenchies? Nice, guys. That's hilarious. You got a beautiful cat? Yeah, guys. I like cats too. Victoria, yeah, you have a lot of dogs. Guys, our admin Victoria, she has like a shelter and stuff like that. She feels the love for dogs too. Okay, very good person. Very good person. I like cats. I like all animals, honestly. If you guys want to know the truth, I'm a huge animal lover in general. You guys don't like the sniper flat hat? You guys want to see all my my balding head from some of these bad trades? That's what you guys want to see? Okay. So there's, oh, you got a, oh wow, 160-pound Roddy. Okay, I like that. Probably a suck too. Okay, 1 hour here. Oh, guys, yeah, spiders. I'm not a huge fan of spiders. You want to see a bearded guy cry? Throw a spider at me. Guys, here's one I haven't asked in a while. Okay, here's one I haven't asked in a while. It's like 9:10. We got a little bit of time here, guys. Where's everyone from? I know we got like a good amount of people on here. All right, where's everyone from in the world? I always ask this. I haven't asked it a little lately, but hey, Calgary, nice, welcome. Montreal, Switzerland, welcome, guys, welcome. India, California, Indiana. Nice, guys. Trinidad, Houston. Oh, Amsterdam. Bianca, I definitely want to come to Jamaica. Okay, maybe I want to go there too. Guys, you know we're stuck in cold ass Canada here, so all you guys saying you're from all these beautiful countries, it's making me very jealous. Very jealous here. What do you think, guys? Should we do some traveling boot camps? Dubai, oh, Morocco, Cancun, United States, the Philippines. There you go. Indonesia, Canada, France. Beautiful, guys. Guys, maybe we'll have to plan something here. We got a lot of people showing some love here. Miami, oh, guys, jealous. Philippines, Asia, Puerto Rico. We got. I'm from the Hole. Oh, hopefully that's not Sudbury, Ontario. I went to school there. That's considered the Hole. Sunny Jamaica. Oh, you guys are killing me here. Barbados, Australia, Casablanca, Zambia, Philippines. Guys, this is insane. New Zealand. Okay, now we're going to gather. I need to gather this. I'm talking too much, guys. I forget what we're doing here. Baby blue. Zimbabwe, Ethiopia. Nice, guys. Okay, now we're going to drop to the 10. Middle Earth. Yeah, guys. Give me with the Lord of the Rings here. I'm like, no, you're not the only one from Pakistan, my man. We have a few other people here. Okay, now we're going to go to the... Actually, let's check out this for 1 second, okay? Guys, you can see that we're below the 50 point on the RSI. Yeah, actually, yeah, Craig. Guys, we do have one of our other guys who trades live with us for our team. He's from Jamaica. Okay, I don't know if he's in the call right now, but he's got this sick white boy Jamaican accent. Friggin' guy's a ladies guy, man. Okay. All right, we dropped that down to the 5. Okay, we're gonna go right here, drop that down. Perfect. Okay, guys, this is US 30. 1 sec here. Okay. 15 minutes, guys, until the market opens. Kingston, Jamaica. You guys are killing me here, like I said. Stop making me jealous. So I have a feeling this is kind of forming the same thing if we threw on Nasdaq. Let me just take a quick peek at Nas. Okay, so Nasdaq is starting to float a little bit bullish here. You can see by that demand we're coming into. Okay, it's starting to slowly hold that uptrend. Watch and see here. And we'll go check out US 30. I just wanted to see how similar they're looking right now. Okay. Tony H. Yep, I told you I was going to do that. It's a very small micro lot. Still holding it. Okay, so we'll go check out gold here. I think gold definitely retraced. Look at the big push movement on gold here. Okay, so we talked about the support that it formed, and now you have your dip to the upside is starting to rise again. Okay, so we'll watch and see how gold, see how it broke out of there. You have a sell pressure. Let's go through this here for 1 second. Okay, sell pressure. Okay, indecision, indecision. Okay, now you have an overall uptrend starting to form. Okay, it's starting to rock now. See how we're right above that 50 line? That's why you're getting a nice little push movement here. Okay. Pat, I just might, man. Okay, this is a lot of volume being pushed in on gold, guys. Okay, remember we have that supply there. If gold starts to rise above here and continue, okay, we're right back in that consolidative structure. All right, right back in that consolidative structure. So let's watch and see if they're going to get a rejection again, or if they're going to get some push down based on this resistance right here. It was once holding support. Okay, you can see a lot of bounces here. Finally they broke, and now it's at that same level. Okay, at that same level. See the push getting rejected by the wick. All right, phase, no problem. Behen, you can use, I use EMAs personally. Okay, so guys, monitor gold here. If gold does start to rise, okay, let's take a look. Getting closed below that 50 point. All right, so let's take a peek. If we're going to get a continuation based out of this, guys, okay, looking for a continuation of gold right around here. Stop loss, you use your stop loss of what you can use based on your account. Okay, let's watch. If gold rejects here, guys, and starts to sell back off, let it do its thing. All right, coming into 920. Okay, let's throw above the 9. Okay, guys, so I'm looking at right here, setting alarm. Okay, then we'll go flip to US 30, guys, 920. Here's the trap, okay? Yeah, US 30. Okay. Okay, guys, so we got about 9 minutes. Okay, gold sold off, did not come to the actual play. See, getting pushed back down again. All right. Here's your retest, push, retest. A lot of sell pressure here, guys. A lot of sell pressure here. Okay. But again, watch. It's still about 2 minutes left. Okay, let's go check out US. Okay, slowly starting to break here. You can see it did not break and close continuation. A lot of the wicks are just bouncing here. Perfect, 923, guys. This looks like like I said, very similar to a bearish flag pattern. All right, go to the 15 minutes. Very similar to how Nasdaq was forming at one point. All right. Okay, coming into 925. Perfect timing. Okay, guys. Guys, I've had over 1K likes and I didn't remove my hat. So if you guys want to give me 2,000 likes, go ahead. I can show you videos where we hit 20K. And you guys want to know the crazy thing? Guys, we put zero money in ads. Zero. All organic. Okay, let's go check out Nasdaq. Similar trend, bouncing out of demand. go check out gold here. Gold's slowly starting to rise, guys. So look at the time. We have 9:26 here. All right. Don't enter anything, guys. Just be cautious. Don't enter anything. Just wait. Okay, 9:27. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. So we're going to focus on US 30 here, okay? Okay, so US 30, guys, coming in 2 minutes here. Let's watch. We're going to let it open, okay? We're going to let it open. Let it do its thing here. We're going to adjust accordingly, okay? Time, we got 57 seconds here. Perfect. Okay, let it do its thing, guys. There you go. Nice little push here. Let the market do its thing for the first little bit. Okay, looking like a buy, guys. Let's watch and see here. Okay, flag pattern, finding support, starting to rise. Okay, we got about, just opened up about 30 seconds here, okay? Let's check out gold. Slowly starting to rise, guys. Okay, slowly starting to rise. Keep in mind, if you're taking gold trade, I'm not really going to focus on it. I'm watching more US 30 right now, okay? Okay, look at the retracement here starting to come. Watch and see, guys. Okay, long top wick here. Let's take a look at NAS. Where are you, bad boy? Look at the sell-off on Nasdaq, guys. So pumped up. New market opened here, dumped. Okay, this thing is starting to sell off huge. All right, we didn't really focus on Nasdaq. Okay, but you can still see it had a nice little push here for the possible dump continuation. The US 30, guys, might be following suit. Okay, you see how it's got a long wick right here. All right, we're going to see now if it's going to start to hold or if it's going to start to reject here again. Okay, there's gold, guys. Gold is pushing. Target is right here. There's gold. Take your profits, guys, if you're in gold. Okay, just tap 2003, 2005. It's about a 20 pip move. All right, about a 20 pip move on gold. US 30 is gaining some volume here. Okay, Nasdaq, you can see if we go back to it, it's pushing right back. A long, dirty wick, guys. Take a look on NAS. Look at this wick right here, pushing right back up. Okay, this is market open. This is why you chill out and you wait. Okay, and you wait. Let it do its thing. Let it play out. Watch spreads too, guys. Watch spreads. Okay, getting some resistance at the body close. All right. Put that over there. Okay, 9:34. This is the first 5 minutes starting to open up. 12 seconds here. Okay. Okay, gold, guys, hit TP. Listen to me. Gold hit TP and then it retraced back down. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see it tap. Now it's getting some close, weak indecision right now. Okay, it's starting to get some more volume. All right, it's a little bit of indecision. Okay, so right now it's got to start to get more volume being pushed. It's holding above the 9, which is good. To break 2005, it's got to have a lot initial push. Okay, there's still 4 minutes and 20 seconds. All right, 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So what kind of volume are we going to get? There's a lot of liquidity being pumped in right now. All right, so just keep that in mind. Gold is starting to look pretty good. Okay, the dirty 30, almost the same thing. Guys, what we're looking for here is this break. See how the wicks are continuing? That's the move we're looking for right there. Okay. Okay, a lot of resistance forming, guys. You can see holding here, coming back to the 9, tapped up, coming back now and tapping here. Okay, it's in a range. Don't enter in anything right now, guys. Let it do its thing. It's still only 9:35. Current time is 9:37. My bad. GU, yeah, GU's selling hard, guys. GU had a massive dump. Gold looks like it's still continuing. Okay, still holding that buy pressure on gold. Okay, guys, if you're in on gold, all right, if you're in on gold, be aware that, like I said, although it's making higher highs with the wicks, all right, eventually this could get exhausted. This can get exhausted. So if you guys are in on this, guys, secure right now. Okay, even if it does run another 200 pips, it doesn't really matter. Okay, secure some of this. All right, pay yourself. All right, let's take a look at Nasdaq. I have no idea what's going on with Nas right now. Okay, a little bit of indecision here. Move that over so you guys can see. Still trying to hold within that range. All right. Okay, it's starting to dump, break through here. You have a shoulder pattern here. You have a head here. You have a secondary shoulder for Nasdaq to potentially dump. Okay. This continues, guys. We're looking at a Nasdaq potential sell-off here. Okay, judging based on the overall pattern, but I'm not really looking at anything until 9:45. All right, let it do its thing. Let it play out. If it dumps, guys. Gold still kind of chilling out. New candle's going to open, guys, in about 1 minute. Okay, so a new candle is going to be the deciding factor whether this is going to push above 2005.82 or if it's going to get rejected here and start to sell off. Okay, same with US 30, guys. If we're watching US 30, okay, you can see have a heavy sell pressure here. Okay, starting to get right back down in this range. Okay, here's your retest of the 9. If it holds here, you're going to start to see maybe a new candle open up and it starts to flip. If not, it's going to respect that overall downtrend. Okay, you can see there's starting to some trend movement here. Okay, so starting to slowly decrease, right back in the range. Okay, okay, about 9:40 coming up in about 3 seconds here. This new candle is what I want to see. Okay, guys, gold is retracing. Remember I mentioned to you, have your weak close right here. Okay, weak close coming in, starting to retrace. Okay, so that's why I mentioned to you, secure on gold, guys, coming to that same supply where we had the sell-off. Now you can see gold is dumping. All right, US 30 starting to reverse and continue bullish. Okay, long wicks, guys. There we go. Remember, stay alert. Keep in mind. Okay, watch the long wicks here. Gold is selling off. Okay. There's your gold sell. All right. Weak close. Remember, we already talked about this. Continuing. All right. Okay, let's watch here. They're trying to go bullish, guys. You can see right here, pushing, pulling, pushing. Okay, you have 9:43, 10-15 minutes is starting to come in. All right, want to see what type of wick this is going to form. Okay, you can see how they're closing. Although the wicks are pushing down, you can see this wick is closing lower, this wick is closing higher. Okay, this wick is closing higher here. All right, so now is a key indicator that they're getting some resistance here, but also, okay, you can see the rejection is starting to come to play on the overall downtrend. All right. No worries, guys. Barney, 50 pips. Good job, man. Okay, 9:44, guys. 9:45 coming in about 1 minute. Okay, let's go check out what Nasdaq is doing here real quick. Remember your spreads, guys. See, Nasdaq is starting to go bullish again. All right, right in that critical area. We have the zone right here. Okay, huge sell-off, guys. Huge sell-off on gold. Remember, push, retracement. Okay, and it's still dropping, guys. It's still dropping on gold. So done for gold for the day. All right, that move was a critical last little chance for it to go bullish, and then the rejection happened. Okay, so US 30, guys, we're gonna watch here. We're watching the dance. All right, here's the new candle open. Okay, retesting the 9. Let's see if they're gonna hold that overall uptrend right here. Yeah, guys, so just if you're not Nicholas, yeah, it's choppy as hell right now. Okay, this is the market open, very similar to yesterday. All right, Victoria left, guys. She banked on gold already and then pieced out. Lizard tail, I already did about 2 times. Okay, okay. See the volume here. All right, a lot of indecision based on this candle right here. Okay, short-term supply. So 2 minutes here. You can see they're not getting it above here, guys. They're not getting it above here. They're trying to, but they're trying at like an extensive rate. The candles are now, they're forming a lot of wick right at this area right here, which is roughly 32,915. Okay, so there's a lot of resistance here, very similar to gold. If you show, let me show you gold here for a sec. Okay, so gold flipped back to a buy, guys. You can see. So remember, I'm just showing you this. I'm done on gold for the day. Okay, but you can see the supply is very similar to US 30. Okay, if gold wants to continue though, guys, like I said, it's got to break that supply. All right, it's got to break that supply. Okay, which is right here. So remember, US 30, same thing as gold. Heavy supply area that we're approaching. It needs to get some volume base for the continuation. Okay, so let's go check out maybe GU. I think a lot of GU took off, tanked. Yeah, there you go, guys. So GU sold off. All right, you can see now it's kind of retracing, trying to fill everything here. All right, I'm not looking at GU, but we have some members here who just said GU sold off. Okay, there's gold again. Okay, short-term uptrend here. You see how we broke that. Okay, so we'll see what's going on with gold here. Perfect. Okay, so there's gold still holding that trend here. Okay, go to the dirty. You can see it's getting some rejection now. Weak closes here. Okay, remember we talked about the supply area. It's still fighting the uptrend. It's still above the 9. Okay, but it's still happening here. Look at all these wicks, guys. This is the sell liquidity zone. This is supply right here. This is where the sellers are saying we're here. We have the pending orders. Okay, so it's going to take a lot of volume to break. Here's the volume candle base. We're coming into it right now, guys. Here's the volume. There it goes. Members, you guys should be fucking eating right now. Take your pips. Guys, look at the webcam here. I have 5 trades in blue. 1 trade going down. Push it, guys. Let's go. Choppy, guys. Alright right, guys, this is pretty much chop right now. You can see they're getting heavy rejection here. All right, a lot of wicks, guys, a lot of wicks. I haven't seen this in a while. So eventually these buyers are going to get exhausted, guys. They're going to get exhausted. All right, and the sellers are going to take control. It's just how it works. Okay, let's take a look at Nasdaq. Selling off again. Okay, so look at the chop. We just focus on US 30 here. Nothing happened. Pushing, pulling, pushing, pulling. All right, see gold, gold again. Okay, pushing, pulling, pushing, pulling. Okay, let's see, guys. This is a heavy volume based move right here. They want to push it, guys. They want to push it right up here. They want to push it right to the close of this candle. Okay, from here to here. I'm telling you. Here to here. There you go. That was the move right there. Members, you guys should have been eating off that. Okay, for real. Although you went in down, a little drawdown here, that's the way it is. If you guys want to trade market open, that's how it is. Okay, but they want to push this, guys. I'm telling you, you can see by the demand here, it's supported 2 times, bouncing in, supporting the uptrend. They're not breaking below the 9 moving average. Okay, look at this, guys. All right, guys, 1 minute and then we're done for the day. Okay, this thing is bullish. Okay, see how it broke above the 50, guys? That's what I was watching for right there. I got another monitor on here. I already saw it broke to 50. Okay, this thing is pushing. Shahab, you're welcome. 2%. Secure, guys. Let's watch and see. This is the critical area right here. If they break this, you're going to have a nice little breakout. If they get rejected here, you can see the previous structure. Look at, boom, guys. Look at this. Boom. All right, guys. Members, you guys knew that I was, 20% on this live. You guys knew I was buying US 30. Yes. Boom. Double bottom right here, guys. Look at this fucking thing fly. This is Michael Jordan, guys. Fly like an eagle. Okay. Bottom here. Choppy ass bottom here. Okay. But you have the demand and you have the uptrend and the moving average on your side. Okay. It's good, guys. Massive pushes. Okay. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Right. Little choppy, but I could see they want to push it up here. They want it to break that support. Okay. You guys are welcome. Okay. You don't need no EAs to do this. Trust me when I say, just learn how to do it yourself. All right. Boom. Okay, guys, this is good. We're done. This right here was horrible. Okay, this is choppy shit. That's why you don't over leverage, guys, because if you're in there, you're going to be bouncing in and out. Okay, in and out, in and out, in and out. Okay, but again, if you guys use a small lot size, you're not going to be like afraid. Okay, use small lot sizes, guys. All right. Hopefully you guys hit. This is a double bottom. There's the breakout. As soon as it taps here, guys, the new candle is going to open and you're going to see it retrace back down. So take your pips and get out. right, guys. All right, guys. Second time saying 9:57. Okay, it's coming into 10 o'clock, guys. We have news at 10. I believe so. Do we? No, 10:30. Okay. So, guys, today was a good call. Okay, make sure to check out HankoTrade, guys. Okay, we'll play a little ad for them. Check out their promotional officers. There's a link in the description. All right, should be a pretty good. Just start the demo account. You don't need to sign up. We're not saying anything like that. Just try one and then try trading with us. See how it is. Okay. There's a lot of different brokers out there, but again, we went with them because we believe in digital currency. So that's the way it is. You can see US 30's pound town right now, double bottom breakout. You're going to get a retest at some point. I do see one key thing here though, guys. You see this long wick over here? I bet you we can see we get a tap here. Okay. Let's see. That's the long wick right there that got the volume base pushed. Liquidity grab, got all the stop losses out, and then they sold it off again. Okay. They're still holding right here, watching for the push. Okay. So guys, what a call. Let's see if they can fill this wick. Okay, we got 2 minutes left. They might not fill it all the way. We got to see the volume closes here. Ibrahim, bro, we're gonna clip this video. This is a perfect double bottom breakout. Okay, and you're holding good. Marco, you got your losses back. Good, brother. Good. Good. Look at this candle, guys. Sarah, they're sending the Zoom chat. Okay. So you just got to have that open, hun, and you're good to go. All right. Cool, guys. So 10 o'clock, we're getting week closes right here. And add an alert. All right. Definitely want to show you guys one thing before we bounce. It's not a candle, it's a tower. Guys, this is our site right now. Guys, Friday, something's going to look a little different here for you. But check out our blog section, okay? This is some of our past trades and stuff like that, and some setups and some good information. Just basically interesting information, okay? Interesting info, okay? If you guys want to check out our calendar, okay, this is what we do live. We do 5 London sessions, okay, in our private Zoom, 5 New Yorks, and then we do 4 Tokyos, 2 of which are webinars, okay? We are going to be adding this for members, all right? So we'll update you what we're adding in, which is going to be more fundamental approach, okay? Maybe 2 times a week, all right? So with that being said, guys, check out the memberships you want to join. Like I said, you don't have to. It's totally up to you. We've been pretty good so far with trade ideas. Yesterday we had an oil and gold trade hit. It's a monthly membership, all right? So guys, like I said, roughly 50, 60 hours a week on Zoom. It's probably more than that. All right, we have a week, like I said, a 52-week program that we created. It's got like 80 videos with some webinars added right now. The new site will be a little bit different, over 150, almost 200 vids, okay? And we have case studies on our new site, which will be, I'll tell you something in 2 seconds about that. All right, and then we have trade ideas roughly 2 to 5 per day, 2 to 4, depending on the market and what we get, right? It all depends on news, all right? So with that being said, guys, you can check out the monthly. It is reoccurring, okay? That's not including the boot camp, okay? We will explain this to you. We'll send you more updates. You guys saw a post that we posted about a week ago. Monthly members, they're not included in the boot camp, all right? The 3, 6, 12-month plans are, okay? You can see prices right now. I am just going to tell you something that they are going up because of the development that we've done for our website, all right? So right now, if you want to join in, you will be grandfathered in at the price that you join, okay? So it's totally up to you whether or not you want to stick with us, but you're going to be missing out on a lot if you don't, okay, in terms of the 3, 6, 12, okay? So guys, with that being said, the reason why we go YouTube, I say it all the time, we pay it forward, we want to give some back. I know there's some heavy people who rely on us to even feed their families or whatever it may be, make an income on YouTube from around the world. Maybe they don't have enough money, and that's why we go live, okay? So you guys can see here that US 30 has retraced and holding support now. Okay, current time is 10 o'clock. All right. So again, pretty much done for the day, guys. We're doing a, like I said, something interesting coming on Friday. It's I don't want to spill the beans yet, but what we have coming is a new site. This site will be translated into 100+ languages, so all around the world. All right, so we'll update you based on that, and it'll be very exciting times. Okay, so guys, same time, same channel tomorrow. All right, 7:30 we'll resume, and we'll go trading till about 10:30. Okay. All right. So guys, hope you had a good call here. We'll resume like I said, and we'll go from there. God bless, guys. Have a good day. Hope everyone has a wonderful week if I don't see you. Goodbye.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.